Hello and welcome to this new section, Customer-Centric Operations. In this course, AI in Operations Management. So, in this section, we will give you an in-depth view of how can you use AI for customer-centric operations, for operations excellence. And we will begin by talking about in this lecture how to use AI chatbots and virtual assistants to improve customer service by handling inquiries efficiently. So we know that the chatbots and virtual assistants can be used to improve customer service by handling inquiries efficiently. So let us take a look at that. So how do you think you can use chatbots and virtual assistants to improve customer service by handling inquiries efficiently? See, let's first understand that to use AI chatbots and virtual assistants to improve customer service in supply chain operation. The whole idea is the goal is to automate common inquiries, inquiries that keep coming up again and again, reduce response time, and ensure round the clock support. So that's the goal, right? So before we take a look at how to do that, let us take a look at what are the benefits in supply chain optimization by using these AI chatbots and virtual assistants. So first, when customers asking about order status, the AI chatbot solution provides real-time tracking uh, via these chatbots integrated with logistics API. So you get real-time tracking. Second, they can also notify customers with delayed reasons and revise ETAs when they are inquired about the delivery delays. And also, chatbots can handle 80% of plus queries, freeing up the agents for complex issues in handling manual handling of the routine questions. And in case of high volume of repetitive inquiries, virtual assistants operate 24/7 without fatigue. So that those are the advantages of using these chatbots and virtual assistants in supply chain optimization. So how to implement AI chatbots in the supply chain? Any thoughts on that? How to employ that to improve the customer service in supply chain? Any thoughts on that? So, you need to start by identifying the use cases. And there you need to target high impact repetitive queries. Repetitive queries like, where is my order? Can I change the delivery address? When will the stock be available? What are your delivery time? So some illustrations of high impact repetitive queries like this can be need to be identified. Then you choose the right chatbot platform. Now, in choosing the right chatbot platform, you need to pick one with a strong NLP, natural language processing, and integration features. And what are those? So there is Dialogflow from Google, which has easy to integrate and multilingual facility. Then there is Rasa, which is an open source platform, which is highly customizable and it has private deployments. Then there is Microsoft's bot framework that is good for enterprise systems. And there is Zendex AI and Intercom that is great for plug and play with CRMs. So among these and many more that might come up later on, choose the right platform. The key thing is to pick one with strong NLP and integration features. Then you connect to the backend. You integrate the chatbots with ERP and WMS, right? Example, SAP Oracle for order data. Then you transport APIs, your FedEx, UPS for tracking. Then you have inventory database for real-time stock levels. And then you have CRM to connect for customer history. And while doing these connections to backend systems like these, use APIs or middleware tools like MuleSoft, Zapier, or Azure Logic apps. So that's what you need to do in connecting to the backend systems. Then you design smart conversation flows, right? Then there you can use intents and entities to handle natural language. Let's take a look at an example there. Now, if your customer says, "Where is my package?" the bot will detect the intent, which is order tracking, and entity, order identity. And the bot will then reward with the order number, is in transit, which will arrive on Tuesday. So design smart conversation flows using intent and entities to handle the natural language. Then you train the bot with supply chain specific phrases. There you need to include variations in shipping queries. What kind of variations may happen in shipping queries by the customer? Abbreviations like ETA, POD, AWD need to be defined, and the bots needs to be trained. Product names and locations, obviously. And there use real chat logs to improve intent training accuracy. So go back and look at how the customers have been chatting and what words have they been using and train the bot on those areas. Then you add escalation and human handoff. When issues are too complex, you know, escalate to live agents via Slack, MS Teams, or Zendesk, and maintain context of previous conversation. So like this, you can escalate and do a human handoff. Deploy across channels, make the bot available on, you know, websites, WhatsApp, Slack, customer portal, and voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, etc., etc. And finally, monitor, learn, and improve, where you track the deflection rate, how many issues were solved without agent being used, customer satisfaction scores like CSAT, response time, and escalation percentage by topic. And to do that, you can use tools like the Power BI, Tableau, and bot analytics dashboards. So monitor, learn, and improve like that. Now, virtual assistant can also be used for internal users. You can use virtual assistants to help in terms of warehouse staff track, uh, how can they track incoming shipments? Procurement teams can query suppliers' performance, and delivery teams can update delivery logs via voice chats. So that's how you can also use virtual assistants for internal users, not only customers, but for internal users as well. So what is next? So having looked at how to use these chatbots in VS, we will now take a look at how to use personalized experiences for AI to recommend personalized products and services based on customer preferences. And that's what we will take a look at in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on customer-centric operations in this course AI in operations management. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy. And I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need.